Starting in good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders backing down. So imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist, then up to the elbow, and all the way to the shoulder. And onto the right wrist, the elbow, and up to the shoulder, and both arms. And onto the left ankle, and to the knee, and all the way to the hip. Onto the right ankle, the knee, and the hip. So have the feet hip width apart. Bring the arms up. Bend the knees, sweep the arms down, and come back up. So we'll go for about 10 of these. So just sweep down and bring the arms up. So exhale down, inhale up. And bring the arms down. So coming into a wide twist. So just twist at the waist and then the other way. So with the breathing, so inhale and then exhale, twist, inhale, center, exhale, twist, inhale, exhale, twist, inhale, and exhale, inhale back. Bring the arms down. So the balance pose will work on eagle pose. We'll break it down with the arms first. So left arm, right on top. Forearms up, palms together. So just hold in there. So remember, the palms don't have to meet, just wherever you get to. And if you want a deeper stretch, lift the elbows. So swap it over. So right arm, left on top. Forearms up, palms together, or wherever you get to. If you want that deeper stretch across the back, lift the elbows. And bring the arms down. So for the legs, you're going to stand on that right leg, a little bend in the knee, and bring the left leg over. Try and get the toes around the back of the calf if you can. We're squeezing the legs together. And the other side. So a little bend in that left knee, bring the right leg high and over, toes around the back of the calf. So I'm going to try and add the two together. So starting on that right leg, take the left one over, then the left arm first, same as the top leg, and then the right one on top. Forearms up, palms together. So if you can hold this pose, you may want to try and bring the elbows down to the knee, but remember, don't strain the knees. You can always give it a go, and if it falls out, that's all good. It's all practice. And control back up if you can. And we'll swap to the other side. So standing on the left, bring the right one over, tucking the toes around the calf, and the right arm first, left one on top. Forearms up, palms together. You can either stay in the basic eagle pose or wherever you're at, or try and bring the elbows down to the knee. Remember to breathe. And coming out, nice and controlled. So standing pose, we're going to do warrior one. So we're just going to do one each side, but we're going to hold for a little bit longer. So you want that right leg forward, left leg back, good bend in the knee, hips and shoulders facing towards that bent knee. So we try and have the arms either side of the head, either with the hands together or apart. Keeping the shoulders relaxed. So make sure there's no strain in that lower back at all. Remember, nothing should hurt. Down, so we'll swap to the other side. So left leg forward, right leg back. So bending that front knee, knee tracking in line with the toes. Keep the shoulders above the hips as much as you can, and the body facing forwards. And bring the arms up either side of the head, palms together if you can. And just try and relax into the pose. So try and find that balance between it being too easy and too hard. So keep it active. And bringing the arms down. And we'll bring the feet back to hip width, ready for the posture and the breathing. Crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose if you can. And just see if you can feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. Bring the arms down and we're all done.